Okay, so for problem 1, here it is how it is made. Read it. Okay, so we have a pool with mercury and we have a speaker that is emitting sound waves through it, and they are asking the velocity of sound in mercury. So we know we are given the bulk modulus, which is 2.8 times 10 to the 10 newton per meter square meter, and that the density of mercury is 13.6 grams per cubic centimeter. We know the velocity of sound in air is 343 meters per second, and so we know this formula, the bulk modulus over the density equals the velocity on a given media. So we start substituting values, and we have 2.8 times 10 to the 10 newton meter, etc. 13600 because I converted it to kilogram per cubic meter, and we put that in our calculator, and we have that the velocity equals 1434.86 meters per second. Thank you for watching.